Welcome back. I'm Dave from MyGunValues.com, and this is going to complete our series. Let me take these off. This is going to complete our series on the SKS. When I was out, we did all the history and everything else. We shot a video on this, and it just came out terrible. So I brought it back out here today, and we're gonna try it. I didn't bring the stripper clips or anything. We're just gonna shoot this a little bit. Lose the microphone here. The other parts are where we give the history of it. This is a Norinco, North American Chinese SKS, purchased new in '93. These are soft point hand loads that I loaded up probably got to be close to 20 years ago. I don't shoot this gun a lot, but we had a request for the history on the SKS, so that's what we're doing, is we're obliging. And I'll mention it now instead of at the end of the video like normal. If you've got something you want to see, shoot us a comment here on YouTube, or you can contact us through the MyGunValues website, and those come to, I see pretty much every email that comes through, so if you have something you want to see, let us know. So with that note, we'll see if we can't hit a few things here. Yep, we're empty. Oh, we got a few targets out there that are still surviving. So it's a 10 round permanently attached magazine. It has an adjustable sight right here for elevation. Windage, not so much. You pretty much got to do windage yourself. Despite these things' reputation, they shoot pretty good. They're certainly not the most accurate gun on the planet, but they don't shoot bad. Knocking the centers out of them, but not destroying them. I got 2 rounds left here in this box. I'm going to burn them up. And there's some water bottles out there a little further. Let's see if we can focus in on them here. Oh. Okay. Now I got to hit them. You can buy the import ammunition and shoot these pretty cheap. I tend to load everything myself, but no requirement to. One piece of advice, and I said it in the other videos, but it bears repeating. You definitely want to slug the bore on one of these, because the bore diameters are all over the map. Usually somewhere between 308 and 312. Barrel's a little toasty, but it'll handle it. That was on me that time. Well, I never said I claim to be the world's best shot. But that was just to clean up the SKS series, do a little shooting with it. You know, it's a good 100-yard deer cartridge. It's a good fun cartridge to just go out and plink with. I don't know that I do much more than that with it, but you know, it is what it is. So with that note, we'll see you next time. Just you know, if you like what you see here, go ahead and subscribe, and we'll be back with you with another video soon. Thanks for watching.